Welcome back to Dancehall Jeopardy. I'm your host, Andrew Chobet. And today our contestants are no other than dancehall legends. First we have the warlord himself, Bounty Killer. Hello. Warlord in the building. 5-star general. Hi Harry is the winner. And them two gonna cry like it's a funeral. Yo, kaboom. The energy god himself, Elephant Man.
Moses, me eat you, Moses. Moses, me eat you like poison, Moses. Moses, me eat you. God no, Moses, me eat you.
Like, seriously? Do you really want to be that guy? Like, seriously? Zaka. And of course, the doctor himself, Beenie Man. Killer, since you are reigning champion, you pick first. Hi, we pick US states for 500 youth. Yo. The answer there is the southern state is spelled with a couple of crooked letters. Yes, Ellie.
What is Mississippi? What? What is Mississippi? What? What is Mississippi?
Wait, are you trying to say Mississippi?
For sizzle.
Okay, Ellie, that is correct. Now you have control of the board.
Moses, Mr. Eto and Anjo, give me mints for 600.
Okay, I think you say you still hate Moses and that you want memes for 600?
Shizzle.
Okay, the answer here also has a musical clue. What does this meme means when you hear this musical beat? Yes, Beenie.
What is sang ding dang ding ding dang dang ding ding ding?
A few moments later.
Ding ding dang dang ding ding dang ding ding dang ding dang ding dang.
Beenie, what the hell was that? It come like when you have nothing to say, you start say pure foolishness.
You know, it says a coping mechanism, my lad. I got therapy for it, you know, my lad. It's like when I can't say nothing good, I start say pure foolishness like zaka, ziggy, zak. Oh, na, zaka.
Okay, let's get back on track. Let's cue that clue one more time. Yes, Bounty. The answer are his. People dead. Yes, Bounty. And some of them brain dead too. I mean, that is the correct answer. You may now pick a new category. Hi, we take famous kings for 400 youth. Kaboom. And the answer there is, he is currently the king of dancehall. I know I'm going to regret this, but yes, Beenie Man. Peepers used to say that I was the king of the dancehall. Now peepers are saying that this guy is the king of the dancehall. But peepers need to know that I is still the king of the dancehall. I am sorry, Beenie, but that answer is incorrect. Like, seriously? Do you really want to be that guy? Like, seriously? Well, look at the time. It's time to take a break. And when we return, it will be Final Jeopardy. And since Beenie is in the negative, he will no longer be joining us. Please stay with us. Welcome back. And the final clue is the year that slavery ended in Jamaica. Gentlemen, you now have 30 seconds. Good luck.
Sang dang ding ding dang ding 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 dang ding 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 dang ding sang dang.
Could somebody please call Beenie therapist? Do call him for me. Okay, Simma, who got the keys to my beamer? Like, seriously, who are my key them? I need to go. Who are my key? Ellie, you have my key?
Moses, God no, me eat you. But see your keys, yeah.